It's time you learn how to stop analyzing the Forex market and win big. In this video, we're going to talk about the mind virus of analyzing the Forex market and how to make sure you don't catch this deadly disease. Let's jump right into it. Is the Forex market random? There's a terrific book. I highly suggest you read it, called Virus of the Mind by Richard Brody. And let's talk about Forex strategies that you'll see on the internet, and analysis as it relates to Virus of the Mind. Strategies and Forex analysis have evolved from people who have the need to associate patterns with random data, and no one has questioned this concept up to this point. Let's take a look at YouTube. Done a search here called Forex Technical Analysis, and if you look down the page here, if you look at the type of content, the very first video, the only technical analysis video you will ever need. The next one, learn how to master technical analysis, price action trading, and it goes on and on and on. Now you will find that a lot of this is, for example, hocus pocus. Now we're going to get into the specifics. Whenever you see something that says Fibonacci, the only Fibonacci trading video you will ever need, that is hocus pocus. You might as well go read your horoscope or get a reading done of the stars so you can be a better Forex trader. I'm going to prove once and for all in this video that you don't need all this technical analysis. And in fact, I say this a lot. While they are out there doing hours, days, months, years of technical analysis, I'm in a trade. I am in a trade and I'm managing it. Do you really want to do 2 hours of technical analysis a day? Professional Forex traders trade using MetaTrader 4 in the cloud with their own VPS or virtual private server. A VPS is a Windows-based computer in the cloud that runs 24/7 with the fastest speeds and the highest internet connectivity. If you are running automated robots or accessing a copy trade service that sends you automated trades, you need to be connected all the time to ensure your trades are executed efficiently. To find out the best VPS service and to learn how to set up and optimize your system with the proper settings and the fastest MT4 terminal in portable mode, be sure to check the link in the description of this video. If you're on a mobile device, click the video title below to see the description area and then click the VPS link to get a full playlist of training videos on how to get up and running with your own VPS in the next few minutes. When in that time frame you could be trading and profiting, managing a trade, it's like watching your favorite Netflix show. It's purely, listen to me carefully, it's purely entertainment. Forex Technical Analysis is designed to keep you entertained. Remember, these people are actually making money on YouTube by talking about Forex. While they're talking and wasting your time, you could actually be in a trade, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now let's talk a little bit of psychology, patterns, and the need for order. Humans have a tendency to see patterns everywhere. And although important when making decisions and judgments, the end product is, unfortunately, that the same tendency to see patterns in everything can lead to seeing things that don't exist. Right here, patternicity, finding meaningful patterns in meaningless noise. It is a human condition. Maybe more importantly, the illusory correlation and illusory control. The tendency to see expected correlations even when they do not exist, leading people to see structure when there is none. This is proven psychology and science. The belief that personal skill set can affect matters that are determined by chance. So let's go a little bit deeper here. These are the things that you'll hear them say, and frankly, if you really think about this, you'll say, did they really say that? Number one, when you find someone analyzing the market online, they'll say the price, they'll literally draw a line on the chart and they'll say the price will either bounce off of this line of support or resistance, or it'll break through it. Think about that. Think about that. Think about that as you getting this entertainment of Forex trading. And frankly, you're watching someone that may appear to be doing a little bit better than you. They're doing analysis videos on YouTube, right? And you're consuming it as a Netflix type channel. Of course, the price will either do one or the other. It's a 50-50 chance. So beware when you hear that. The next one, the trend is up, so we expect it to continue. They will literally draw a line on the chart upward as the price bounces off of it and goes up and down and up and down. And they say, you should buy. The truth is, you could also be in a sell trade and be profitable because the market's random and they don't know where it's going to go. Now, this next one, before I put it up on the screen, slow your brain down a little bit. And this happens in almost every Forex analysis video you will see on the internet. And it is the most, let me just put it up here. It's crazy. They will look back in time. They will scroll back in time on the chart and the history data telling you what happened. They'll draw lines. This is what happened. And here's a line and you can see what the price did right here. That is bat shit crazy. It's a batshit crazy alert, my friend. The moment you see someone scroll back in time and try to tell you what happened, because of course that's what happened, will make your brain believe, because it's looking for these patterns, it will make your brain believe that they know what they're talking about. Me, I'm in a trade. I'm in a trade. Now, how am I doing this? What's my process? What's my procedure? I'm going to show you at the end of this video shortly, so stick with me here. And maybe this is a great time for me to say, maybe a smart thing to do is click the thumbs up icon and give me a like. And one thing I do every week is I scroll through my subscribers here on YouTube and I pick someone to send my daily profitable trades to. So if you'd like to get some automated daily profitable trades, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That'll notify me that you're engaged and you just may be that person that I pick on a weekly basis to get all of my daily profitable trades. Here's another example. I did a search on YouTube, just Forex analysis, and you will see that they start to get very specific. They will tell you, like this particular channel here, weekly Forex analysis for the month of May, US gold setups. And next one, live Forex trading, making such and such $3,357 with one Forex trade. Daily Forex trade ideas. I'll tell you what, here's an idea. Enter a trade, my friend. Open up a chart and enter a trade. What am I saying without saying it? Trade management is the key. In my very next video, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by trade management. Just manage the trade. Enter. Close your eyes, click the screen, click a buy, click a sell, click it on any currency pair, and I'll show you how to win. And then more importantly, like I said, stick around. I'm going to give you the definitive secret at the end of this video so you never have to analyze another chart. You don't have to look at this weekly Forex analysis on gold. You don't have to do any of this because it's purely, are you ready? It's purely Netflix entertainment. It's purely Netflix entertainment. You're wasting your time and it's time to stop the insanity. Now, in a lot of these YouTube videos where they're doing analysis, they're going to give you access to their Telegram group. They're going to tell you that their group is going to tell you the best trades for the day. Now, even if they're giving you some good trades, because what is it, 50-50, right? Toss the coin as 50-50. Even if they're giving you some good trades, you got to sit there in front of the computer and watch this stuff and join all these groups, and hopefully you get into that trade at the right time. And now we're back to this. It's random. It's a virus of the mind. Strategies and analysis, it's all evolved to be entertainment. And as it says here, it is a need of human beings to associate patterns with random data, and it's time to start questioning this stuff. Go educate yourself. Get the book, Virus of the Mind. It's incredible. So finally, the answer, how to stop the analysis. It's automation. It's simply automation. Now you're going to run from this because you've probably got the automation, the Forex robot mind virus. How many people come to me and know that I'm an EA or expert advisor trader and they say, oh, I tried that for a week or a couple days and it blew out my account? Okay. Well, what if I've been doing it for years and years and I figured something out? What if there's something right in front of you, and I'll give you the secret right here. What if there's something right in front of you that if you simply added in between the robot and your actual live trading account, guess what? You can buy any Forex robot, You can buy any Forex robot, take one trade at a time and manage it. How do you do that? I'm going to give it to you very straight, very verbally here without getting all technical. I simply set the robot up to take trades on a demo account, and then I copy one trade at a time over to my live account or my demo testing account. Instead of letting the robot just run free, what happens if I just take one trade at a time and I manage it? We will talk in the next video about management. Management simply means this. I know for a fact, I've practiced this, and you can do the same thing. I open up a chart, open up a random time frame, and take a random trade. And I let it play out, and I manage it into profit every time. How do you do that? Again, I'm going to show that in my next video. But here is something, and I think the final answer, this is actually a lot easier to do. Why don't you let me send you my daily profitable trades? I'll do it on autopilot. And here's my point. I already set this system up for myself. I set up basically what's called a robot incubator. I run dozens and dozens of automated systems and robots, and I let float to the top on the analysis. You're going to talk about analysis. I look at what's winning for the day, for the week, for the month, and I simply use a local trade copier, and I grab any number of those trades that I want at any lot size that I want. I turn it up, I turn it down. But why go through all of that yourself when you can just plug into my system? I'm already doing it for myself. I didn't build this to sell it. I built it for me. Once I realized and became convinced that the market is random, once I realized that all of this Forex analysis is just craziness. And the people that are doing it, listen, it's not their fault. They don't know. They simply don't know. They don't know what they don't know. They are acting on their own human emotions, their need to attach patterns to random data. You have to stop doing it. You have to stop following that. So how do you get access to my daily profitable trades? Go to the description field. You'll find a link. You'll find information. Click on that. Go watch the video. And if you're on mobile, click the title and the description field will open up. You'll see a hyperlink down there. Go watch the video. What do you say we start getting into trades and managing them as opposed to watching Netflix or Telegram channels, trying to figure out who's right, what we should analyze, what pair, which way should we enter? The hell with that. Go back to the last thing I said in the slide before this. Go back to when I said, buy a robot, buy any random robot, and use a local trade copier to control number of trades, currency pairs, lot size. It will change your life. If you'd like to skip all of that complication, or you're new to Forex, and maybe you now realize that you have the mind virus of analysis paralysis, then just skip ahead, click the link in the description, and get access to my daily profitable trades. I've set it up for myself. It's all on autopilot. I just want to see you win. And of course, guess what? I talked about making another video. That's why you should subscribe. Talked about making the video of how to manage a trade. I teach that inside of my system for free. Get my daily profitable trades. Learn to manage any individual trade at any given time. And just be profitable without all of the Netflix, Telegram channel time wasting analysis. That's it for this video. Get access to my copy trade system and just make Forex trading a lot easier for yourself. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.
If you found this video of value, please by all means click the like icon and subscribe to be notified of future videos designed to help you get profitable in the Forex market. If you would like to never manually trade ever again, I highly recommend you get access to all of my profitable trades that can be sent directly to your MT4 account daily. Simply visit forexbits.com and learn all about this new and unique service. That's all for this episode. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now.